The purpose of a sales compensation plan is to motivate your team to accomplish specific goals. And in turn, you'll pay them a bonus above and beyond their base salary. And that seems pretty straightforward, right? So why do sales compensation plans create so much stress and frustration for both business owners and their sales reps? Here are 4 reasons why your sales compensation plan isn't working and how you can fix it. Number 1, it's so over-engineered that your sales manager can't explain it and your sales reps can't understand it. Repeat after me. Keep it simple. The best sales reps, they're money motivated. Design a simple compensation structure that aligns your bonus plan with your sales strategy. For example, if you want your team hunting for new clients, then reward that behavior and pay them a premium for revenue they bring in that comes from new clients. Number 2, you set goals that are too aggressive and not achievable. Sales goals need to be fair, realistic, and achievable. If you set the bar too high, where few, if any, of your sales reps can achieve their targets, they're going to become demoralized and just go through the motions. You don't want that. Number 3, you tie your sales compensation to external factors that a sales rep can't control. The role and responsibility of the salesperson is to sell your products or services. Your company must be able to execute consistently and deliver on your value proposition. If you can't do that, that's on you, not the sales team. Number 4, you cap the commission payout your sales reps can make. We said this earlier, if your sales compensation is aligned to your sales strategy and it's incenting the right behavior, that's all good. Then why in the world would you cap your commission plan? You don't want your sales reps taking their foot off the gas. Motivate them to keep selling and pay them accordingly. Should you need help addressing any sales compensation gaps that you've identified, please contact me via the link below. We can arrange a 30-minute complimentary session. Thanks for watching today.